Hello students, again welcome back to my channel City. So I'm getting frequent requests to update the 24th July 2021 IELTS test writing task 2 essay questions. So we already updated the complete prediction for LRW for the same date. So if you didn't check, that means you can check out that. I will provide the link in the description box. So today we are going to see the sample questions under each topic for your 24th July. So don't expect the question same like this, but you can prepare with this. It will definitely help you out in your real exams. Definitely you will get to the same topics. So the first topic is science and research. Many people believe that scientific research should be carried out and controlled by the government rather than private companies. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this opinion? So it's coming under opinion type essay, but they asked like to what extent. So you need to mention about the private companies and also the research conducted by the government, and try to give proper reasons along with examples. Next one, people and characteristics. Ambition is an important character for people who want to be successful in life. How important is it? Is it a positive or negative characteristics? So it's coming under two-part essay. You need to answer for both the question. First body paragraph, you can mention about first part of the question, and second part of the question in second body paragraph. Next, about fashion and clothes. The tendency of human beings to copy one another is shown in the popularity of fashion in clothes and other consumer goods. Do you agree or disagree? So it's coming under opinion type essay, that also one-sided opinion essay. Either you can agree or you can disagree and try to give proper reason for your agreement or disagreement. Next, about urbanization. As transport and accommodation problems are increasing in many cities, some governments are encouraging businesses to move to rural areas. Do you think the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? So here it's coming under discussion type essay. No need to mention any opinion and all, but here you need to give more importance towards the advantages of this particular trend rather than disadvantages. So you can arrange two body paragraph about advantages and third body about disadvantages. Next one, under building and housing. In some cities, there are few controls on the design, construction of homes, office buildings, and the owners can decide on the styles of their own houses. Do the advantages of this outweigh the drawbacks? So here also try to give more attention towards the advantages of this particular trend. So next topic, public building. Some people believe that government should spend on new public buildings such as libraries and museums rather than renovating old building. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So here also it's coming under balanced opinion type essay. You need to mention about the importance of new public building and also about renovation of old building, the benefits of both the part. Next one, under museums and art galleries. Museums and art galleries should concentrate on local works, not showing the cultures or artworks from other countries. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So it's also balanced opinion type essay. So try to give the importance of local works and also about the other cultures. Next one, about music. Some people think music plays an important role in society. Others think it is simply a form of entertainment. Discuss both sides of this argument and give your own opinion. So it's coming under discussion with opinion type essay. Try to discuss about both the views into different body paragraph, and it's better to add third body paragraph with your own opinion. Next one, about government fund. Government should focus their spending on public services rather than arts such as music and painting. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So it's also opinion type essay. Try to mention about the importance of funding public services and also about the importance of funding arts sector. Next one, about animals. Some people think that using animals for experimentation purpose is cruel, but others think that it is necessary for the development of science. Discuss both views and give your opinion. You want to discuss about both the argument and try to give your opinion. And while adding this third body paragraph with your opinion, don't repeat the same points which you already mentioned in first and second body paragraph. Next one, about extinction of species. Animals are in danger of extinction. Some people say that we should protect only those animals which are useful to human. That means domestic animals or farm animals. Do you agree or disagree? So either you can agree or you can disagree. If you think that we need to protect the wild animals too, means you can disagree with the statement and try to give proper reasons. Next one about technologies. Some people think that the development of technologies has made our life more complex and the solution is to live a life without technology. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So here also it's coming under balanced opinion type essay. So in first body paragraph, you can mention about the importance of technology, how it help in our smoothing of our life. And second body paragraph, how it made our life so complex. Okay, about both the side. Next one about computer technology. More and more people work at home and study at home with the development of computer technology. Do you think it is a positive or negative development? So it's coming under opinion type essay. Either you can set it as a positive development or it has a negative development, and if you think it have both positive and negative side means you can give your opinion like that and try to explain it out. Next one about communication technologies. A rapid development of communication technologies such as smartphones, tablet and other mobile phones or devices has more disadvantages than advantages. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So here also you can mention about the agreement and disagreement side. Next one about artificial intelligence. Some people think that robots are very important to humans' future development, while others think they are dangerous and have negative effect on society. Discuss both views and give your opinion. You can discuss and try to give your opinion. Next one about food and health. Some people think that government should subsidize fruits and vegetables to make healthy food cheaper. Others argue that tax should be set on unhealthy food. Discuss both views and give your opinion. So you can expect discuss along with the opinion type essay either in the morning section or in the evening section. Okay, so prepare more with that. Next one about sports and games. Some people believe that sports competitions are a source of emotional stress for young people. Therefore, youth should be banned from participating in sports competitions. Do you agree or disagree? Either you can agree or you can disagree with the statement and try to give relevant reasons along with examples. So the same question you can expect under to what extent you. So according to the question you need to answer. So the next topic is healthcare and education. Some people think that government should pay for healthcare and education, but other people claim that it is the individual responsibility. Discuss both views and give your opinion. So here also you need to discuss both the side and try to give your opinion. So the next topic is sports and health. Some people believe that to improve public health, government should increase the number of sports facilities. Others believe that it has little effect and need other measures to improve it. So discuss both views and give your own opinion. So here also try to discuss both the part and give your opinion. Next about food habits. In many countries, people buy imported food rather than food produced locally. Why do people do that? How can people be encouraged to eat locally produced food? So it's coming under problem solution essay. That means in the first part, you need to answer why do people do that? What are the reasons behind this particular trend? And second one about the solution, how we can encourage people to eat more locally produced food. Next one about globalization. The spread of multinational companies and the increase in globalization produce positive effect for everyone. Do you agree or disagree? If you think it have positive effect means you can agree and try to give reasons, or else you can disagree and give reasons. Next one about advertising. Advertising discourages people from being different individuals by making us all want to do the same and to look the same because everyone are buying same products. So do you agree or disagree? So either you can agree or you can disagree. Next one about children and advertisements. A large amount of advertisements nowadays are now targeted at children. Many people say this has negative effect on children and should therefore be banned. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So it's coming under balanced opinion type essay. Whenever they asked for to what extent, try to give or try to explain about the agreement side and also about the disagreement side. Next one about modern society. Some people think that in the modern society, individuals are becoming more dependent on each others, while others say that individuals are becoming more independent of each others. Discuss both views and give your opinion. So, in the first body paragraph, you want to mention about the side which they are telling they are dependent, and in the second body paragraph, you can mention about the opposing argument. The people are independent and try to give your opinion. Next one about overpopulation. It is expected that there will be a higher proportion of old people than young people in the future in some countries. Do you think it is a positive or negative development? So according to your perspective, you can write the answer. If you think the older people are more means it have positive effect means you can write like that. If you think it have negative effect means you can write like that too. Next one about art. Some people say that every human being can create art. Example like paintings. Others think only people born with the ability can create art. That means inborn ability or innate ability we can say. Discuss both views and give your opinion. So you can cite any particular view. If you think innate ability or the people with the inborn ability can create art means you can cite that particular view or the opposite side. Then next one about the family and relations. In some countries, more and more adults are living with their parents after graduating from college or university or even after finding a job. Do the advantages of this outweigh the disadvantages? So here you need to give more attention towards the advantages of this particular trend. Next one about tradition. Many people think young people should follow traditions. Others argue that young people should be free to be individuals. They can follow the modern or traditional according to their perspective. Discuss both views. So this is under discussion type of question. So in general module, you can expect discussion only type, not for academic. Okay. Next one under computer games. Some people say that playing computer games is bad for children, whereas others say that it has positive effect on the way children develop. Discuss both sides and give your opinion. So in the first body paragraph, you can mention about the how these computer games are bad for children. Then second body paragraph, how it improve their hand and eye coordination and what are the positive side, and try to give your opinion. Next one about famous people. Some people believe that young people know about international pop and movie stars but know very less about famous people from the history of their own country. Why is this? That means what are the reasons behind this? How can more interest be created in young people to gain more knowledge about their own famous people from history? That means what are the solution? How we can make them more interested towards the famous people from history. That means it's coming under problem solution essay. Okay, you need to explain the problems. That means what all are the causes and also the solution. Next one about children and media. A report indicated that many children between 7 and 11 spend too much time watching television and playing video games. How does this problem affect the children, their families and society? So you need to mention like that. That means how this problem affects the children, family and society, particularly about everyone, and what measures can be taken to control it. What are the measures taken by the parents and also teachers to control it? Next one about leisure time activities. Some people say that parents should organize free time activities for their children. Others say that children should be free to choose what they do in their free time. Discuss both views and opine. You can discuss both the argument and try to give your opinion. Next one under children. Some people think that nowadays children have too much freedom. Do you agree or disagree? So either you can agree or you can disagree. This question also specifically for general module. Okay. Next one about the news medias. A tendency that news reported in the media focuses on problems and emergencies rather than the positive development is harmful to both the individuals and the society. Do you agree with the statement or not? So either you can agree or you can disagree. Next one about crimes. In recent years, the number of crimes committed by teenagers in major cities throughout the world is increasing. Give reasons and suggest some solution. So you want to give reasons for this particular trend, why the crimes are increasing and what are the solutions. Next one about news and newspapers. Newspaper have influenced people's ideas and opinion. What are the reason for this and is it a positive or negative development? It's coming under two-part essay. You need to give reasons for this. What are the reasons? And in the second body paragraph, you can write it as a positive development or negative development or it having both. You can arrange third body if you want means. Next one about crimes and media. The government should control the amount of violence in films and on television in order to decrease the violent crimes in society. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So it's coming under balanced opinion type essay. Next one about the information technology. More and more people are using computers and other electronic devices to access information. So printing of books, magazine, newspapers should not be done. Do you agree or disagree? If they are asking like this, means you can be in one side, either you can agree or you can disagree. If you are asking like to what extent do you agree or disagree, means you need to mention about the importance of printed medias and also about the importance of electronic gadgets. So according to the question, you can answer. Next one about film industry. All over the world, people watch foreign films much more than locally produced films. Why? Should the government provide financial support for your local film industries? So you need to answer for both the part of the question. Next one about internet. Most of our information comes from the internet nowadays. Some people say that a large part of the information we get is incorrect. Do you agree or disagree? It's coming under one-sided opinion essay. Next one about people and sexes. Some people believe that success in life depends on hard work and determination, while others believe that other factors like money and personal appearance are important. Discuss both views, discuss both the argument, and try to give relevant explanation and example, and give your opinion in third body paragraph with proper explanation. While explaining the opinion, example is not so necessary. Okay, next one about international aid or foreign aid. Some people think that government should not give international aid since they have disadvantaged people like unemployed and homeless in their own country. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So it's coming under balanced opinion type essay. Try to mention about the agreement and disagreement side. Next one about rich and poor. Some people believe that the range of technology available to individuals today is increasing the gap between poor people and rich people. Others think it is having an opposite effect. That means it is decreasing the gap between poor and rich. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Next one about economy. Some people believe they should keep all the money they have earned and should not pay tax to the state. Do you agree or disagree? If you think no need to pay the tax to the state, means you can agree and try to give relevant examples and explanation. And if you think we need to pay the tax to the state, means you can disagree and give reasons. Next one about online shopping. More and more people do online shopping. Why is this the situation? That means what all are the reasons behind the popularity of online shopping, and what is the effect of online shopping on shops and communities? So try to mention about the effect on this both shop and also in community. Next one about tourism. The traditional lifestyle of local people in developing countries is attracting and increasing the number of tourists to the countries, which has the effect of preventing local people changing to modern ways. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So here also you can be in balance. That means you can partially agree with this statement and try to mention about the disagreement side too. Next one about transportation. People have to spend more and more time to travel from their home for job and study. What are the reasons and how we can solve this problem? It's coming under problem solution essay. Give reasons and try to suggest solutions. Next one under environment. Some people think that it is more important to plant trees in open areas of towns and cities than to build more housing. To what extent do you agree or disagree? It's coming under balanced opinion type essay. You need to mention about the importance of planting trees and also about the importance of housing facilities. Next one about traffic problems. In many cities and towns, the high volume of road traffic is a problem. What all are the causes of that? That means what all are the causes behind increasing vehicles in the road, and what action could be taken to solve this issue? What all are the action taken by the government to solve these particular traffic congestions? Next one about materialism. It has been suggested that everyone in the world wants to own a car, a TV and a fridge. Do you think these disadvantages of such a development outweigh the advantages? That means you need to give more attention towards the disadvantages of this materialism or material possession. Next one about consumerism. Nowadays, people always throw the old things away when they buy new things. Some people claim that the broken things should be repaired and used again. What factors cause this phenomenon? What effect does this phenomenon leads to? It's also coming under problem solution essay. You need to mention about the causes and also about the effect of this particular practice on the environment, and also what all are the effect in our own life. We can mention like that too. Next one about natural resources. The increased world demand for oil and gas has made it necessary for locating the sources in remote and untouched natural areas. Do you think the advantages outweigh the disadvantages of damaging these natural areas? So here also try to give more attention towards the advantages of this particular practice. Next one about waste management. Most countries do not recycle their waste like paper, glass, and aluminium cans. Why does this happen? That means what all are the reasons? And what steps can be taken to increase recycling? What all are the solution? How we can encourage recycling of the product? So next topic is economy and industrialization. Some people say that industrial growth is necessary to solve poverty, but some other people argue that industrial growth is leading to poverty and it should be stopped. Discuss both views and give your opinion. So some in favor of industrialization and some are opposing industrialization. So you want to discuss both the side and try to give your opinion. Next one about reading. Some people believe that reading stories from a book is better than watching TV or playing computer games for children. To what extent do you agree or disagree? It's coming under balanced opinion type essay. You need to mention about the importance of reading and also about the importance or good side of this watching TV and computer games. Next one about overseas education. More and more students choose to go to another country for their higher education. Do you think the benefits outweigh the problems associated with this? So here it's coming under outweigh type of question and you need to give more attention towards the benefits. The same question they will ask for this the people moving for the job also. This question is related to education. The same question you can expect under working also. Next one about university education. Some people think that the government should decide which subject students should study at the university, while others think the students should be allowed to apply for the subject they prefer or they like. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Next one under history. It is more important for school children to learn local history than world history. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So here you need to mention about the importance of local history and also about the world history. Next one about education and government role. Some people believe that everyone has right to university education. Therefore, government should make university education free for everyone, no matter what their financial background is. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So it's also coming under balanced opinion type essay. You need to mention about the agreement side. That means the government want to fund for university education. And next body paragraph about the disagreement side. That means the student or the family want to spend for their own study purposes. Next one under information technology. Some people think that the government should establish free libraries in each town. Others believe that it is a waste of money since people can access the internet at home to obtain information. Discuss both sides and give your opinion. You need to discuss about both this argument and try to give your opinion. What do you think about that? Next topic is online education. Many people use distance learning programs to study at home, but some people think that it cannot bring the benefit as much as attending college or university. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So it's coming under balanced opinion type essay. You need to mention about the importance of online platforms for education and also about traditional classroom programs. Next one about marketing. In some countries, fast food restaurants and supermarket give money to schools to promote their products. Do you think it is a positive or negative development? So here also it's coming under opinion type essay. Either you can set it as a positive development or negative development, or it having both side means you can write like that you. This practice have both positive and negative side. Next one about language. Some people think it is better for children to begin to learn a foreign language at primary school than at secondary school. What's your opinion? Do you think the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? So here also you need to answer for both the part of the question. It's coming under two-part type of question, or we can say it as direct question. You can expect this type of question to you. Next one about work and life balance. People aim to achieve a balance between their work and life, and few people achieve it. What are the causes of this problem and how to overcome it? It's coming under problem solution essay. You need to mention about the causes and also solution. Next under job. Some people turn to take temporary jobs. That means they only work for few months or years, for they have time to do other things. Do the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? So here you need to give more attention towards the advantages of temporary jobs into different body paragraph, and you can mention about the disadvantages of temporary jobs in third body paragraph. Next one about culture. The best way to learn about other culture is to work in multinational organization MNCs. Do you agree or disagree? So if you think there are a lot of other methods to know about culture means you can disagree and try to give reasons, or else you can agree. Next one about men versus women. Some people believe that Women should play an equal role as men in the country's police force or military forces, such as army, while others think women are not suitable for this kind of job. Discuss both views and give your opinion. You can discuss about both this argument and try to give your opinion. So, whenever you get a discussion with opinion type essay, try to add third body paragraph. So, collect some points under each topic. Definitely, it will help you out in your real exam. So I will be back with more IELTS related videos. So stay tuned for that and all the very best for your IELTS test. So stay tuned.